dear God, my one and only hope. In the depths of my soul, I come before you, seeking solace and strength, for I know that you are the wellspring of hope. Today, I lift my voice in prayer, pouring out my heart with a plea for an abundance of hope to fill every crevice of my being. Hope, dear God, is the radiant light that illuminates the darkest corners of our lives. It is the unwavering belief that even amidst adversity, you hold the power to turn our trials into triumphs. I beseech you, O Lord, to infuse my spirit with a steadfast hope that will never waver, even when the storms of life rage fiercely against me. During these trying times, it is easy to lose sight of the blessings that surround us. The weight of our troubles can cloud our vision, causing us to forget the countless moments of joy and abundance that have graced our lives. O merciful God, teach me to count my blessings, to remember the times when your grace has overflowed in my life. Grant me the wisdom to recognize the beauty that still exists amidst the struggles and the courage to hold on to hope with unyielding determination. When despair attempts to shroud my soul, help me to find solace in your everlasting promises. Remind me, Lord, that you are a God of miracles, capable of transforming ashes into beauty and despair into joy. Strengthen my faith, that I may trust in your divine plan even when it seems obscured by the trials and tribulations of this world. In the midst of turmoil, let me be a beacon of hope to those who are lost in the shadows of despair. Grant me the wisdom to offer words of encouragement, a helping hand, or a compassionate heart to those who are weary and downtrodden. Use me as an instrument of your love and grace, that I may share the hope that dwells within me with a world hungering for solace. O God, when my spirit falters and doubt threatens to consume me, wrap me in the comforting embrace of your presence. Strengthen my resolve to hold on to hope, even when circumstances seem insurmountable. Fill my heart with unwavering faith in your divine providence, knowing that you are working all things for the good of those who love you. As I face the unknown path that lies ahead, grant me the courage to step forward with hope as my guiding light. May every setback be seen as an opportunity for growth, every trial as a stepping stone to a brighter future. Let hope be the fuel that propels me toward the destiny you have ordained for my life. In the depths of my soul, I surrender to you, O Lord, for you alone are the source of true hope. As I offer this prayer, I plead with you to ignite within me an unyielding hope, transforming my life and allowing me to radiate your light to a world in desperate need. I trust in your unfailing love and hold on to the promise that in your embrace, hope will never disappoint. In your holy and precious name I pray. Amen.
For more daily prayers and motivational videos, please subscribe to our channel, Soaring Minds, and visit our website, thesoaringminds.com.